Hi, it's been so long since you last saw me. I was 22 years old the last time I posted here, and now I'm about to be turning 28. I know, a lot has obviously changed and happened. Since then, I've moved back home and rekindled relationships with family and friends, which really healed me and taught me how to love myself. In my early 20s, I was in a place of constant self-pressure on where I should be in my life and how I should have gone to college right away. But I've learned that until you know what you want to do, college is just not worth your time or money. And so when I moved back, I was able to relax for the first time in a really long time. I worked in the same field for 5 years, and that has taught me to grow my professionalism immensely. Like a lot of jobs though, there were good days and bad days, but in the end, I had built some of the most important relationships of my life, with such quality people that guided my growth into my late 20s. This made me realize that there is excitement in life as you get older. Those moments with them I will keep with me always. During the pandemic, back in 2020, I was lucky enough to meet my person, and now we have built a place to call our home. I've also had the opportunity to travel and would love to show you those experiences moving forward. As of right now, I am currently enrolled in school to receive my associate's degree in skincare therapy and become a board-certified esthetician. Skincare has been such a huge passion of mine for so many years. I have learned so much throughout my own skin struggles, and to this day my skin's not perfect, but I'm in a happy place with it. And my mission is to provide other people with that same happy place. The funny thing is that I didn't know this field of study even existed, so as soon as I found out, I jumped in, and so far it's been a great experience for me. I've made new friends, and I'm learning so much information about how the skin works. My love for all things beauty and wellness still holds true, so you will see a lot of content falling around these things. What you are watching now is a sudden rush of inspiration that came over me, and the sort of vibe I want this channel to have. Of course, any requests on content would be greatly appreciated. And lastly, I also want to thank you. Thank you to those who have stuck with me. It sure is good to be back, and I'm so excited to reconnect with you all and build new connections along the way. Until next time, your friend, Vivi.